Hello friends, today my topic is addition and subtraction part 4. This is also useful for 4th and 5th grade students. Okay, my topic is subtraction. So before going to the subtraction, so we will know these words. Okay, first one is minuend. Okay, so minuend means the larger number from the larger number from which we subtract the other number is known as minuend. Okay, what is the meaning of, for example, 10 minus 4. In this 10 is a larger number, this is called minuend. What this mention? The larger number from which we subtract the other number. We subtract the other number. Which one is the larger number here? So from we subtract the other number is called as minuend. Okay. Then next one is subtrahend. What is the subtrahend? Which number is subtracted? The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. See here, what they are mentioned, subtrahend means the number which is subtracted is called which is subtracted. So this is example, suppose 10 minus 4. In this 4 is a subtrahend. Here 10 is a minuend, 4 is a subtrahend. So 10 minus 4 equals 6 we will get. What is this? This is the difference between two numbers. What is this? Difference between two numbers. This, which one is big number? This is called minuend. Which one is small one? That is subtrahend. Okay, the number which is subtracted. Which one is the number? This number is subtracted from this number. So this number is called subtrahend. This number is called minuend. This what about, we will get some result right here, 6. That is called difference between two numbers. Okay. So one example. Suppose one example, subtract 42365 from 87546. See, observe here, these two things are 5-digit number. So clearly we know here what they mentioned clearly here. This is the number which is subtracted from another number. So this is called subtrahend. This number is called minuend. Okay. So first arrange the values in place value chart. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. If it's there, lakh. Okay. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5-digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, both are in 10,000s. Okay. So 8, 7, 5, 4, 6, 5 ones, 6 tens, 3 hundreds, 2 thousands, 4 is 10,000. See, put this is minus subtraction, subtract. So here 6 compared to 1's place, 6 minus 5, we will get 1. 4 minus 6. See, observe here, 6 minus 5. Here compared to 4, here see, observe, 4 minus 6. Compared to 4 and 6, 4 less than 6. Okay. 4 less than 4 compared to 4 and 6, 4 less than 6. So first, without boring, I will explain. Okay. 4 less than 6. 4 is less than 6. So we can borrow 1 from in 100 place. So leave behind 1. What is this? We can borrow 100. We can borrow 100 here. Okay. Leaving behind we can borrow 100 because 4 less than 6. 4 is a small number, 6 is a big number. So that's why we can borrow 100 to this number. So leave behind 4 hundreds. See what does that mean? This we can borrow 100. If 100 is coming here, what we will get here? 114 is coming here. This is we can behind 400s. Okay. See here how 14 will come here. See, let's see. See 100 plus 4 tens here. What we do here? Because 4 is compared to 4 and 6. 4 is a small number. 6 is a big number. So that's why we can borrow 100 from the 100 place to 10 place. Okay. And so 100 we borrowed that one, right? So that's why here what we left? Here 5 is there, right? So 4 left, leaving behind 400s. So 100 plus 4 tens. So 100 plus 4 tens means 10 tens plus 4 tens. 100 means how many tens are there? 10 tens. So 14 tens. How 14 will come, right? Means like this. Okay. See. 14 minus 6. How 14 minus 6? 14 tens minus 6 tens equal 8 tens. So 8 right in tens place. Here what we left? 4. 4 in 100 place what we have? In 100 place what we have? 4 minus 3. What we left? 4 is a compared to 3. 4 is a big number. So you can subtract directly. 4 minus 3 equal 1. What we have? 100. This is in 100 place. So 1. Here in 1000 place 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 means no need to borrowing here because 7 is a big number, 2 is a small number. Directly you can do subtraction. 7 minus 2 equal 5000. It is in thousands place. So that's why 5000 directly you can write. Here what we will get? 8 minus 4, 10,000. So 8 minus 4 means 4, 10,000. Okay. So directly. See here compared to this line and compared to ones place and compared to tens place. Ones place means 6 here. 6 minus 5. 6 is a big number. 5 is a small number. So you can subtract directly. But compared to this, compared to here, what happened here? See 4 is a small number. 4 is a small. 6 is a big number. 4 minus 6. 4 is a small number. 6 is a big number. So that's why what we do here. We want extra number here. So that's why what we do. We can borrow from hundreds place. So if we borrow 1 from hundreds place, what we have here? See here, it goes to 4 goes to 4 comes to 14. Here what happened here? 5 goes to 4. So how here 14 will come? See, we can borrow 100. So 100 plus 4 tens. See 100 means 10 tens, right? So 10 plus 4, 14 tens. So that's why it's came. I wrote here 14. 14 minus 68 tens. Okay. So here what happened? 14 tens is coming here. Here what happened? I borrowed 1 from 100 to tens place, right? So that's why it happened. 100 will decrease in this place. So 5 minus 1 means 4 will come. Okay. Like this we will do subtraction. I will explain another example also. See next one. One more example. Suppose they are giving like these two numbers 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 3, 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay. See, observe here, this is also 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit number. But what happened here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Few members are getting confused. This is the first number, this is the second number, like that. Few members are confusing. So which one is big? That number you can write first. Okay, this is called minuend. Which one is big number? That is called minuend. Okay. This one is called subtrahend because this is a small number. If they mention subtract 38967 from 56423, directly you know. But if they mention give subtract like this, if they are giving like this, you can find the minuend. After that you can find the subtrahend. Then you can do the subtraction. Which one is big number? See, in thousands place we have 5 number. In 10,000 place we have 5 here. In 10,000 place we have 3 here. So compared to 5 and 3, 5 is the big number. Okay. So that's why this number is called this digit. This number is called minuend. Okay. This number is called subtrahend. Okay. First compare the digits. After that only which one is big digit, which number has big digit, that is the minuend. Which number has less digit, means less number. In 10,000 place, that is called subtrahend. Okay. How to do subtraction now? See, first before going to the subtraction, first we can arrange the numbers in place value chart. Okay. In column wise we can arrange ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay. See here what we have the number. First one is 5, 6, 4, 2, 3. Second number is 3, 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay, like this. If they are giving, please don't forget this is minus. Please put this one. Otherwise, it is addition. If you don't put this number, this symbol, it will. You can do this is addition. Okay. So please don't forget this symbol. Please put this symbol. Okay. See, ones place, please observe here. Ones place, what happened in ones place? 3 less than 7. So 3 is compared to 3 and 7. 3 is the small number, 7 is the big number. In subtraction, first one is big number, second one is small number. So, but here what happened? 3 less than 7. What we do? We can borrow from 1. We borrow 1 from, we borrow 1. We borrow 110. Okay. So, what happened? If we borrow 110 here, what will get? It will 13. So, how it will happen? I will explain. And 110 will increase here. So, what happened? 110 will decrease here. What happened here? 110 means, because it is giving 1 to 1's place. So, that's why it is 1. Okay. So, here 13, how we will get 110 means 110 plus 310, 3 ones. So, 110 means 10 ones plus 110 means what we will get? 10 ones. Once again, I'll explain again. What we do? First in ones place, 3 less than 7. So what we do? If 3 less than 7, so what we do here? 3 compared to 3 less than 7. So we borrow here 110 and leaving behind 110 means, what is the meaning? If we borrow 110 means it will come 1. If 110 will come, what happened in ones place? 110 plus 3 ones. So 110 means 10 ones plus 3 ones. So 13 ones. So here what we have? Number 13 ones. If we borrow 110 here from here to here, so we will get here 13 ones. So here what happened here? In tens place what happened? It will give 1 to here, right? So what happened? 1 will decrease here. So 1 will decrease means it is here 2 minus 1 means 1 here. What will get here? 1. Okay, here 3 instead of 3, 13 happened. 13 minus 7, how much will get 13 once? Now you can subtract because 13 is a big number, 7 is a small number, you can subtract directly. 13 minus 7, how much you will get? 6 ones. It is in ones place, 6 ones. Okay, see here, what we have here in tens place, what we have? 1 here. Here, what is this in tens place? 6. What we have? Tens place. Okay, tens. What we have here? 1 less than 6. So, subtraction is not possible. What we do again? We borrow 100. We borrow 100 here. So, what we will get? 100 plus 110. We borrow 100 and leave behind 3 tens, 300. Because it will give 100 to here. So, that's why it will 100 decrease here. So, 3. So, what will get here? 100 means how many tens? 10 tens plus 110. So, total how many tens? 11 tens. So, that's why it is coming 11 here. Okay. 11 minus 6. Please observe here. 11 minus 6. 11 is a big number. 6 is a small number. So, 11 minus 6 equal to 5 tens. So, write down 5 tens here. Then, what we have here? Again, see hundreds place. Okay. In hundreds place, what we have again? See here. Here 3. In hundreds place. What we have here? The number is 3. 3 minus 9. Compared to 3 minus 9 means 3 less than 9. Again 3 is a small number. So what we do here? Again we borrow 1000. Okay, if we borrow 1000, what will happen? So 6 will decrease to 5. If one borrowing means what happened here? 1000 plus 300. So 1000 means how many hundreds? 10 hundreds plus 300s. So total how many? 1300s. So here what the number will come? 13. So compared to now, here see 1300s, here 900s. 13 minus 9. What we will get? 400. What we will get here? 400. So here what happened? Already 1000. 1 will decrease here because we borrow 1 from 2 here. So 1 is decreasing here. So what we will get here? 5. So again thousands place, what happened here? Again 5 is less than 8 in thousands place. This is hundreds place. H means 100. Again what happened here? 5 less than 8. Okay. This is in thousands place. 5 less than 8. Subtraction is not possible. So again we borrow 10,000 to, we will borrow 10,000 to here. So 10,000 means what will happen here? 10,000, 10,000 plus 5,000. What we will get here? 10,000 means 10,000 plus 5,000. So total 15,000. So what we will get? The number comes to 15 here. So okay, here the number will be 15,000. So 15 minus 8. 15 is a big number, 8 is a small number. So subtraction is possible. This one 15 minus 8,000. Well, how much you will get? Here 7,000. See 7,000. Here 1 decrease here. So what we will get here? 4. 4 minus 3. 4 is a big number, 3 is a small number. So directly you can do subtraction here. 4 minus 3, 1. So clear, right? See what they are giving, subtraction 5, 6, 4, 2, 3. They are giving two numbers like this. So first we can find what is the minuend, what is the subtraction. Which one is the big number in 10,000 place? That is the minuend. Which is the big number? Here compared to these two numbers, 5 is the big number. 5 is in 10,000 place, 3 is in 10,000 place. Both are 5-digit numbers only. So comparing 10,000 digit. Here 5 is the big number compared to this number. So what is the This number is called minuend, this number is called subtrahend. First we can write like this. After that we can do first arrange the numbers in column wise in the place value chart. Okay, how to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First I arranged everything. Number of column wise 5, 6, 4, 2, 3. This is the first number. Minuend is first number. This is the big number. Subtrahend is the here. So what we do here, in here observe 3. This for in ones place we have 3 and 7. So ones plus 3 less than 7. So 3 is a small number. What we will do here, 3 is the small number, 7 is the big number. So subtraction is not possible here. So that's why what I do here, what I will do here. So we borrow 110 and we borrow 110 from the tens place to ones place. Okay, if we borrow 110, what happened here? 110 plus 3 ones. What happened? 10 ones plus 3 ones equal 13 ones. So 13 ones minus 7, 6 ones, like this. You can do all things. Here what happened? See, here 1 will decrease because we borrow from this number tens place. So the 1 will decrease here. So instead of 2, the number will be 1 here. So 1 here, the main number is 1 and 6. So 1 less than 6 in tens place. So what happened? 1 less than 6. So again we will borrow. We can take 1 from hundreds place. So 100 plus 110. 100 means 10 tens you can write. 110 means 11 tens. 11. So the number will be 11. 11 minus 6 means 5. Again see, 1 will decrease here. So here 4 will be there. 1 will decrease, right? So 3 number will come. See, compared to 3 and 9, 3 is the small number. So again we can take borrowing. So we will do borrowing. So what happened here? We borrow from 1000 to hundreds place. What will happen if we borrow 1 from 1000 place? What will there? 1000 plus 300. So what we will get? 1300. So 1000 equal 10 hundreds. So 10 hundreds plus 300 equal 1300 minus the 9. Like this you can do. Okay. Then see, in crores place also same thing like that only. Okay, if suppose they are giving see 7, okay, suppose they are giving different digits. How to write? See, suppose 3, 2, 4, 5 from 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. If they are giving like that. See, observe here. In this is the 4-digit number. This is the 5-digit number. What we do? Ones, tens, hundreds. What we will do? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So first arrange the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Here 10,000 please. 5. So okay, once again 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here what we have? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In ones place what we have here? 5. Okay, in tens place what we have? 4. In hundreds place what we have? 2. In thousands place what we have? 3. See, observe. Put subtraction symbol, minus symbol. Okay, 5 minus 5. What we will get? 0. 4 minus 4. 0. Here 4 is in tens place, 4 is in tens place. So 4 minus 4, 0. 300s. 300s, 200. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 5, nothing, no. So you can put 0. No need to write 0 also. If you want, you can write 0. 5 minus 0 means 5. 5, 3, 1, 0. If you want checking also, if your answer is right or not, what we do? These two things you can add. The difference between two numbers and small number. If you add both numbers, you will get minuend. Okay. In this, which one is minuend? This is the big number. So this is minuend. This is subtrahend. If they mention, you can, if they want, write what is the minuend number, what is the subtrahend. If they are asking, you can write this one. Okay. See, what is the difference between two numbers? 5, 3, 1, 0. What is the second number? 0, 3, 2, 4, 5. What is the small number? So if you add these two things, 5, 4, 2, 3, 6, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is, this number will come. So answer is correct, like that. Okay. So today, if they are giving crores, how to do? If they are giving crores or above 10,000, so the numbers are, suppose they are giving 3, 1, 4, 8, 6, 5, 4. Same thing only. 1, 9, 5, 2, 7, 8, 9. So in this, which one is big number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. See, if they are giving lakhs, see here, 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So first, in this, both are as 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Both numbers have same digits. Okay, what? Both numbers have same digits. What we will do here? First, which one is big number? That is called minuend. So compared to last digit, 10 lakhs place. Here 3, here 1. So which one is big? 3 is the big number. So this is called minuend. This is called subtrahend. See, so I arrange first place. I will arrange the numbers in place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. If you write the numbers, please give some gap here. It will be easy to understand. Okay. 3, 1, 4. 1 second. 3, 1, 4, 8, 6, 5, 4. Why I am giving? If it's needed borrowing also, it will be clearly visible. So that's why I am giving gap here also. 1, 9, 5, 2, 7, 8, 9. See here, observe. Do subtraction symbol. See here, compared to 4 and 9. 4, 1's place 4, here 9. What happened? 4 is a small number. So if you do borrowing here, the number will goes to 14 here. See the number is, see once again. The number will be 14 here. Here what happened? 1 will decrease, right? So this here the number will be 4. Like this. Okay. 14 minus 9. What we will get? 5. Then here 4. Here 8 in tens place. What happened here? Again 4 is compared to 8. 4 is small number. So again we will do borrowing. So from hundreds place we borrow 100 to tens place. What will happen? The number goes to 14, because already I explained 100 plus 4 tens. 100 plus 4 tens. So 10 tens plus 4 tens equal to 14 tens, like that. So 14 will happen. 1 will decrease here. What will the number will be 5 here. So 14 minus 8, 6. Here what happened? 5, 7. Again we will do borrowing. So what is this? The number goes to 1. We borrow 1000 from to hundreds place. Here number will be 7. Here number will be 15. So 15 minus 7, what will we get? 8. You know this one, right? So no need to explain. So okay, 1 second. Okay, 1000 plus 500. So 1 borrowing. So 1000 means 10 hundreds plus 5 hundreds. Means what will we get? 15 hundreds. Okay. 15 hundreds minus 7 means 8. Here what happened? The number will be 7. 7 minus 2. 7 is a big number compared to 2. Okay. So you can do subtraction here directly. 7 minus 2. What we will get? 5. See here, observe again. See 4 and 5 in 10,000 place. 4 is a small number compared to 5. So we will do borrowing here also. So what will get? The number will becomes to, the number will be 14. Here what happened? The number will be 0. Okay. So 14 minus 5. How much you will? 14 minus 5 means 9. Here 0. Again 0 compared to 0 is a small number. because 9 is here, 0 is a small number, so again we will do borrowing here. So the number becomes to 10. Here the number will be 2. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. What is the answer here? 1, 1, 9, 5, 8, 6, 5. If you want your answer is right or not, again you can check. How to check? If you add these two numbers, means difference between these two numbers and smallest number, if you add these two numbers, the answer will be coming. Okay, the minuend will come. 5, 8, 6, 5. What is this number? The difference between given numbers. What is the another number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 19, 5, 2, 7, 8, 9. Here adding only. Please plus symbol only. So 9 plus 5, 14. 8 plus 4, 6. 8 plus 14, 15. 16. 8, 14. 10, 11, 30. 3, 1, 4, 8, 6, 5, 4. See, observe. Minuend will came. Okay, minuend will come. Okay, 3, 1, 4, 8, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so the given answer is correct. So today keywords of subtraction. This is the last topic. Okay. Keywords of subtraction. What are the keywords? If you see these keywords, we have to do subtraction. Okay. Subtract. If they are giving subtract, minus, take away. Okay. Subtract, minus, take away, less than, fewer than, decrease. These are all keywords of subtraction. If you see the keywords, and one more is difference. Okay, keywords of subtraction. Okay, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and give like and give comment also, and please send to other kids also. It will helpful to other kids also. Okay, thank you.